Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make anime art using the awesome Midjourney bot in Discord. So if you aren't familiar, Midjourney is an AI generative software which specializes in generating images with any prompt you throw at it. Here are a few examples of Midjourney's capabilities. As you can see, it generated all these different images just from prompts. As you can see, it truly is a powerful tool for creating images on demand. For now, we want to make some anime art, and to do that, we're going to have to tinker with Midjourney settings a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to the text box of your Discord server and type /settings in order to access the settings list for the Midjourney bot. As you can see, Midjourney will give you a slew of options to choose from in order to change its own settings. For now, look for the option that says Niji version 5. It has the icon for an apple. Once you've clicked on it, make sure it's highlighted green to display that it's currently active as a setting for Midjourney. Now, let's start generating some AI images. Go back to the text box and type /imagine, and for the prompt, we're going to type dog, but type 2 dashes, style expressive, and it'll automatically make it a Niji 5 AI generated image. Now, let's make another AI generated anime image of the same ferocious dog, but this time, instead of the style being expressive, let's make the style cute. Now let's make a third generated image, but this time let's not add the style and just have Midjourney generate one just from the prompt ferocious dog. And there you have it. Now let's see all the different AI styles of a ferocious dog using the Niji 5 anime setting that Midjourney has generated for us. And that's it, we've now reached the end of this video. Congratulations, you now know how to use Midjourney in order to create some AI-generated anime images. If you've learned something new, feel free to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and quick tutorial content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.